Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer of ownership securely on your X account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your X account. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings and support. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Proceed to security and account access. Go ahead and click on delegate. Go ahead and click on member you have delegated. Go ahead and click on invite a member. Enter the new handle, the new member handle. So for instance, if you are trying to change ownership of your X account to any of these, so select their handle. So once you select the handle, then you will be given different options right there. So go ahead and choose admin. Once you choose admin, it means that admin have the same permission as contributors. They can also invite or remove contribution and also view post analytics. Go ahead and click on send invite. Once they accept the invite, they have the same authority as you on the particular X account. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your X account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.